Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by melting chocolate and butter together because that creates the molten center. Once glossy, remove from heat to stop cooking. Meanwhile, whisk 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk with 2 tablespoons sugar until slightly thickened so the cake gets lift. Fold a tablespoon of flour into the cooled chocolate to stabilize the batter. Make sure there are no lumps. Immediately divide batter into buttered, floured ramekins so you keep the temperature consistent and the lava effect intact. Once ramekins are filled about 3/4 full, you can press a 1/2 ounce chocolate square into the center if you want a more dramatic molten core, otherwise leave plain. If your batter warmed while mixing, chill the filled ramekins for 10 to 15 minutes so the edges set faster in the oven. This preserves the gooey center. Make sure to position racks in the middle of the oven, then slide ramekins in and bake. Small changes in temperature and chilling change how the center sets, so be deliberate. You bake the ramekins for about 11 to 13 minutes at 220 degrees until edges are set and the center jiggles slightly. Once done, rest 1 minute so the cake releases cleanly. Then invert onto a plate while warm and serve immediately with ice cream or berries to contrast temperature and texture. If your center is not molten, make sure your oven is accurate and reduce bake time by 1 to 2 minutes next time. Alternatively, chill longer before baking to tighten the edges without fully cooking the middle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.